Welcome to Palmstreet Seller Tutorials. Let's talk about managing your sales and your seller account. Inside of the Palmstreet app, inside the Live tab, there is a My Sales section. Here you can view all of your orders that need to be fulfilled. These orders will include orders from your lives and from your marketplace and purges. Here you can track the order, you can ship the order, and you can manage the status of your order. Creating labels this way is super easy and efficient. Buying and creating labels from the Palmstreet app is one of the most effective ways to ship your packages. You also have the ability to choose which carrier you would like to ship your items with. This will also help your customers track your orders easily. You can also decide which payment methods you would like to pay your shipping labels with. Then you can also print the labels directly from your phone in the Palmstreet app. We recommend once your item is ready to ship to message your customer and let them know. You can message them directly from the Orders tab. Now let's locate your Palmstreet wallet. Inside of your profile, click the Settings tab and then scroll down to My Sales. You can see all of your orders here, and in the top right hand corner you will see the wallet icon. Here you can view your total balance. This is another great place to view all of your orders, including orders that you need to fulfill, orders in progress, and orders that are completed. If you ever need to export all of your ready-to-ship orders, you can do that with the Export button. An email will be sent with all of your orders. If you ever want to create your own coupon, in the settings, there is an option called Seller Coupon. Here you can create your own custom coupon. Be sure to name it something catchy and creative, and you can also determine its duration. You can decide what the coupon type will be, if you want a % off or an amount off. You can also determine what quantity of coupons you would like to be created. There are plenty of customizable options here that will help you create the exact coupon you are looking for. Once you have created your custom seller coupon, you can now share it. In the settings, there's also a tab called My Seller Plan. Here you can decide what subscription you would like your plan to be for Palmstreet. If you ever need to upgrade or change your plan, you will have to message at Palmstreet support. You will also find shop policies in the settings. Here you can tell your customers which days you ship on, along with if you offer local pickup. You can also say exactly what the local pickup address would be. In your shop policies here, you can also decide what the shipping option will be for your live streams. Also, if you allow combined shipping between lives, purges, and marketplace. There are other shop policies here that you are able to customize. Here you can turn on Buy Now, Pay Later. This is a great feature to have on for your customers. Here you can also decide if you accept returns or exchanges and how long your customers have to contact you. Thank you for watching this Palmstreet Seller tutorial. You're crushing it. You're a superstar seller.